Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Friday, the 24th of March, 2017, about 9:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. All right, in the stock market, hard to make, in fact, out of all the financials anything today. Right now, they're debating the Affordable Care Act. We'll see if it passes or not. The president wants the vote. We'll see what goes on. Let's assume he loses. He moves on to other things. People will say, oh, he can't get the job done. Don't buy into that. There's other things to skin. And part of this will be those that voted against this bill, especially the Republicans, as they come back to the White House with their needs. Boy, they've got a real problem brewing up. Paul Ryan will be upset. I mean, there's a lot going on here. But in any case, we're looking at a dollar that's down slightly, the euro up. Stock indices stable, that's the right word, I think. Silver gaining rather sharply on the gold market today. In copper, they did settle the strike at the Escondida mine in Chile. You still have two going. I think it's the Cerro Verde mine in Peru still on, Grasberg in Indonesia. You still got plenty of production off. But come Saturday, the Escondida mine starts going back to work. Energy prices still, as you can see in the gasoline and the crude, still under pressure. However, the Saudis said today that they have now begun the real process of 300,000 barrels a day reduction being shipped to the U.S. That's 9 million barrels a month. So it's quite a big number, and we'll see if that helps stabilize prices. Beans getting hit today along with meal. You know, you can only go so long where you keep saying farmers are switching acres from corn to beans, and then you look at the weak prices that are going on in South America and wondering how long we can hold up. And those that have done some good hedging in soybeans, they're probably happy at this point. But spring brings all kinds of surprises. We're still getting a bid this morning in the bonds and the notes as the uncertainty of the vote today matters. Now, when you go to the fundamental news of the day, the market U.S. preliminary PMI number came in at 53.4 versus 54.2. That's not so good. And the manufacturing, the prelim March service sector PMI came in at 52.9 versus a 53.8. Both of these numbers are nothing to write home about, not great. The durable goods numbers, better than expected at 1.7, so I didn't see that as bad. Durable goods ex transportation, transportation is that volatile number, up 0.4 versus the prior down 0.2. And durable goods ex defense up 2.1. So I think the U.S. durable goods were good, but I think the market numbers weren't. Germany's PMI for March, 57 compared to February 56.1. That's the highest level in 6 years, and it gives you an idea why Germany is just so strong. The market group's EU PMI came in at 56.7 from a 56 in March and was above expectations, but declined to 55.8. So Europe is still doing okay. The U.S. seems to be bogged down right now a little bit financially. We're bogged down in thinking about what's going on as well with the Health Care Act, what it means for the presidency, and I think that's a joke. So he loses a vote or he wins the vote. Winning certainly gives him political currency galore. Losing, I don't know. He'll just move on to his next deal. That seems to be what the man is made out of. I want to talk to you about my swing lines. You know, you see my afternoon videos, and I'm forever talking about swing lines. I've put together some videos to teach you how to work with them, and our charting software also does it for you. Then the importance of them. It's one of the cornerstones of my charting course, by the way. If you'd like to see the videos, get your free software to work with it, 866-973-2077. You can see how we explain it, and then you're going to see how to apply it, which I think is really where the fun comes in. I'm just showing you here some of the PowerPoints for the explanation, but the real meat of it's on the charting software. How you get it, you call us. You can also go to www.iraepstein.com. You can click up here at any point. It'll all come part and parcel if you want some of my market research as well. So if you're watching me on YouTube, click there. Other than that, I'm Ira Epstein. We'll be looking forward to seeing you at the end of the day videos. Take care, good luck, good trading.